Today's date is August 23rd, 2023, and I'm revisiting the my bathroom faucet situation. This is a Price Fister shower valve combination, and I've been going through seats or gaskets or washers on the seats on this. They don't last much longer than a few weeks before they get destroyed, and then it's down to nothing, and then you have metal on metal. So today I lucked out and I found these nylon washers. I think they're going to fit. They might be a little bit big, but I can sand them down to fit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the valve out, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll try these nylon washers. I put a nylon washer in here I made, but I'm not real happy with it, and I'm hoping that these are going to be perfect, because the ones I made before were out of this size washer, and the screw just is barely holding it in. So I think on this one right here, it's just floating in there. But in any case, it's been holding up. And then what's happening is that when a faucet drips, it'll leave a rust mark in the porcelain. So that's what's going to happen here. I'm going to put it on time delay while I work on this. Okay, I'm back. I got the washers in. This was the old one that I made right here, and it's hardly worn out in 3 months. I replaced this at the same time, and it's just totally gone. You get rubber particles when they go. You get rubber particles in the water coming out. So this is the cold faucet. So I'm almost at full flow with 1/8 of a turn. That was something else I wanted to mention. When you're working around faucets, always put a plug in the drain. Same with sinks. You always want to have that, plugged up, so your screws and everything don't fall down there. So let's see, that's hardly, look at the flow coming out of it. That's much better too. And it doesn't take much to shut it off. So I'm calling this project completed.